Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, Abhishek and I are super excited to talk about something really special. How friendship can be secret sauce behind successful startups in India.
That's right, Tamanna. Friendship is often seen as a personal bond, but in the world of entrepreneurship, it can be a powerful driving force. In India, there are numerous examples of friends who have come together to build thriving businesses. Let's dive into why friends can make fantastic business partners.
When it comes to starting a business, having a friend as a co-founder offers unique advantages. The foundation of trust and loyalty already exists between friends, which reduces conflicts and misunderstandings, enabling smoother collaborations and more efficient decision making.
Exactly. Friends often have a deep understanding of each other's strengths and weaknesses. This allows them to divide responsibilities based on their complementary skills. For example, one partner might excel in creative thinking and innovation, while the other has a knack for financial management and strategic planning. This dynamic can significantly enhance the business's overall performance.
And let's not forget about communication. Good friends usually have well-developed communication skills and understand each other's style very well. This is invaluable in a business context, where clear and effective communication is essential. Friends can provide honest feedbacks without fear of damaging the relationship and are often better at resolving conflicts amicably.
The journey of entrepreneurship is filled with challenges, and having a friend as a business partner means having a built-in support system. Friends can offer encouragement and motivation during tough times, helping each other stay resilient and focused on their goals.
Now let's talk about some successful Indian startups built on the power of friendship. One of the most prominent examples is Flipkart. Sachin Bansal and Binny Bansal, who are not related, met while working at Amazon and bonded over their shared entrepreneurial dreams. They co-founded Flipkart in 2007, which went on to become one of the largest e-commerce platforms in India.
Another success story is Ola Cabs, founded by IIT Mumbai batchmates Bhavesh Agarwal and Ankit Bhati. They came together to start an online holiday and tour planning service, which eventually evolved into the ride-hailing giant Ola.
And let's not forget about Nykaa, co-founded by Falguni Nair and her daughter Advaita Nair. Their strong familial bond and shared passion for the industry proved to be a winning combination, building Nykaa into a highly successful brand.
Swiggy and Zomato are also great examples. Swiggy was co-founded by Sri Harsha Majeti and Nandan Reddy, who met at the Indian School of Business, while Zomato was co-founded by Dipinder Goyal and Pankaj Chadha, who worked together at Bain & Company.
Lenskart was co-founded by Piyush Bansal, Amit Chaudhary, Sumit Kapai and Neha Bansal, all friends from their days at IIT Delhi. Their shared vision and complementary skills have been instrumental in Lenskart's growth and success.
Policy Bazaar, the leading online insurance marketplace, was co-founded by Yashish Dahiya, Alok Bansal and Avnish Nirjar. The trio, friends from IIT Delhi, leveraged their diverse backgrounds and expertise to build a thriving business in the insurance sector.
Beyond these well-known success stories, there are numerous other Indian startups built on the foundation of friendship. These include Anagram Media Labs, founded by Manjul and Kamal, Steam Robo Technologies, co-founded by Anurag Gupta and Rajiv Tiwari, and Anthropic, co-founded by Ranjan Kumar and his friends.
These examples show that friendship can be a powerful tool for startups. The trust, communication, and emotional support that friends bring to the table are invaluable in navigating the challenges of entrepreneurship. By leveraging their shared vision, complementary skills, and unwavering commitment, friends can build successful and enduring businesses that leave a lasting impact.
Speaking of which, Abhishek and I have been friends for years, and we are actually thinking about starting our own business.
That's right, we are brainstorming ideas and would love to hear your suggestions. What kind of businesses do you think we should start? Let us know in the comments below.
Thanks for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our Mahamani English channel. See you in the next video.